Previously on Jake and Vanessa's kitchen.
Here we are in our kitchen. It's a little bit cramped, but
you're seeing practically the whole thing right now.
This is it.
It's kind of a smaller space right now.
Is the word upsetting appropriate?
We measured wall to wall.
That's good. I feel like that's more space than we had before. And now it's time to build our layout in the IKEA Kitchen Planner to finally see cabinets like up on the wall and where they're meant to be. Kind of give me butterflies. It was really cool to see.
Kind of give me a little bit of confidence.
It was so satisfying that we had to open and close it and open and close it.
Just multiple times.
Like 11 times in a row,
We
I
couldn't
think.
stop. It was very exciting.
Woo!
What is this?
I don't even know where we are right now. I think this is our beautiful brand new kitchen.
I believe it is. Do you guys want a tour?
Jake, give him a tour.
Let's show you around.
To be honest, I did not realize how transformed this space could actually be. Like, I know when we were designing it in the planner, we had some idea of how it was gonna manifest.
The planner was kind of a computer game, but
Yeah.
this has come to life.
I was gonna say it's virtual reality, but it's more.
It's
like
more of an
actual
virtual
reality.
reality.
And I cannot believe how much bigger it feels in here and brighter it feels and just functional and beautiful and already a place that we can gather. So it's really,
It's
really
definitely
exciting.
like exceeded our expectations, for sure.
We really loved this countertop option because we have little flecks of kind of like a wood grain in it, which pulls together the shelves and the floor.
Do you remember our old backsplash in our old kitchen? It probably belonged in a bathroom.
Well, instead of doing a tile backsplash, we ended up going with a wood style shiplap. We matched the color to our cabinets and it kind of goes together with that modern farmhouse vibe that we really like. Plus it elongates the space, it's nice and bright, and it unites the dining and kitchen area into one.
Because of some of the money that we saved using Nieu Cabinet Doors and the IKEA boxes, we were able to get kind of our dream appliances. So we got this very lovely induction stovetop.
In our old kitchen, we had that ginormous microwave that took up the entire counter corner, but now we have a micro hood, which doubles as a range, and it allows a lot more space, plus it's very sleek.
And has a button you can push and it opens it up.
It's pretty cool.
Like a space age thing. I'm obsessed.
Ah!
It's like, you don't need to open it, you push a button. And lastly, we have the wall oven, which is very cool, because again, it's not that sort of bulky slide-in style. It goes right into the cabinets, really maximizes the space, and looks very sleek.
So we chose to use glass cabinet doors for a couple places in the kitchen, and it really kind of adds just a bit of a contrast in the aesthetic. With the hardware, we chose kind of a brassy gold color that we really love. It kind of provides a lot of contrast to the white. It adds some warmth in here and kind of speaks to that modern farmhouse vibe.
So we added some accent lighting above the sink over here, and just behind you are our pendant lights,
Yeah, I love
which
the pendants.
we're really excited about. They match the faucet over here, and again, it adds a little bit of flavor. It's kind of our own style, and it's just kind of a cool accent in the kitchen.
We went with the double farmhouse sink. It's nice and bright, so it kind of contributes to that like sense of space in here. Also really minimizes clutter when you're washing and drying dishes. And I love this faucet that we chose too. Jake's modeling. He's a very good model. Oh, very good. It's the little things, you know? It's the little things.
So we went with the tallest uppers possible. These are 40 inches. When I open the cabinet doors, I don't have a fear of like Tupperware raining on me every time, because we actually have some space.
Storage,
we have some
places,
storage
yeah.
space, which was probably our #1 priority at the beginning of this.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if you guys remember, but we had a really funky,
Unique.
groovy chandelier in here. I used to bang my head and my hand on it every time I came in the kitchen. So thankfully that is gone. We have some pot lights now, and we love it.
So instead of that door and the wall that we had here that provided no functionality at all, we have introduced these beautiful wood floating shelves that we really love.
Yes, they match the floor. It really brings in that sort of wood vibe into our white kitchen, provides some more storage space.
I think one of my favorite parts of our kitchen is this beautiful peninsula and bar area that we've created. It's become like this whole other space that we get to use and make use of. Not only is it a lot of counter space, but it lends so well to entertaining.
Like when people come over, we kind of like feel pretty good about it. Beforehand, we were like, we know, like, you know, it's,
She's a
one day,
fixer-upper.
well, she's a fixer-upper,
Yeah.
exactly, yeah.
Anyone who's seen it so far is like, how did you squeeze a larger kitchen into the small kitchen that used to be here? Which I feel like is a testament to like how much more we've gotten out of this small space and
Yes.
really made it like one of my favorite places in in our home.
I just feel like no matter your starting point, no matter your budget, no matter your DIY experience,
Or lack thereof.
or lack thereof, like us, you know, with enough instructions, with a lot of DIY, with a little bit of patience, you too can design and build your own dream kitchen. We've learned a lot, we've struggled a little bit, we figured it out, we've triumphed, and here we are on the other side of it. We couldn't be more excited with our Nieu Cabinet Doors, and we couldn't be more excited to have this new kitchen.
Well, thank you for keeping us company as we designed and created and built and discovered our dream kitchen.
If you liked what you saw, do us a favor, hit that like button. We know that the new team would love to hear your comments in the comments section. Let us know your favorite part of our kitchen transformation. Subscribe to this channel, and if you're out there hoping to design your own dream kitchen, we hope that this video brought you one step closer.
Take care.